possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Muncie, Alexandria, Winchester. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Champaign County, eastern Logan County, western Delaware County, Union County, Ohio, until 2:30 a.m. At 1:44 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bell Fountain, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dublin, Delaware, Marysville, Powell, Plain City, Richwood, West Liberty, North Lewisburg, West Mansfield, New California, Radnor, Milford Center, Shawnee Hills, Ostrander, Woodstock, Magnetic Springs, Unionville Center, Valley High, Zanesfield and Cable.